Hey there, are you tired of seeing that frustrating "this transfer failed" message in your Cash App? Don't worry, you're not alone. Navigating the world of digital payment platforms can sometimes be tricky. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Cash App "this transfer failed" issues so you can quickly get back to smooth and secure transactions. Step 1. Check your payment details. Before getting into complicated solutions, let's focus on the basics. One common reason for a transfer failure on Cash App is incorrect payment details. Double check the recipient's information, ensuring the email address, cash tag, or phone number is accurate. A simple typo could be the culprit, so take a moment to review everything carefully. Step 2. Inspect your account balance. Another reason for a failed transfer could be insufficient funds. Make sure your Cash App account or linked bank account has enough balance to cover the transaction, including any fees. Go to your Cash App home screen and check your balance. If it's running low, you might want to add funds from your linked bank account or card. Step 3. Security and app update. Cash App frequently updates its security protocols to protect users. Make sure your app is up to date with the latest version. Head to your App Store, search for Cash App, and see if any updates are available. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the most secure and reliable version. Step 4. Review internet connectivity. Sometimes a failed transaction can be due to poor internet connectivity. A stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is essential for transactions to go through smoothly. If you suspect connectivity issues, try switching network or moving to an area with a stronger signal before attempting the transfer again. Step 5. Contact support. If you've checked all the above and still experience issues, it might be time to contact Cash App support. Open the app, go to your profile, scroll down and select Cash Support. Describe the issue and request assistance. The support team can provide insights or additional steps tailored to your account's specific circumstance. Step 6. Check your linked accounts. Cash App issues sometimes stem from problems with linked accounts or cards. Ensure that your linked bank account or debit card is functioning correctly. Log into your bank's website or application to verify that everything is in order. If needed, you can unlink and relink your bank account in Cash App to refresh the connection. Dealing with the "this transfer failed" message can be frustrating, but by following these steps, you can troubleshoot the problem efficiently. From double-checking payment details to ensuring that your app and devices are up to date, there are multiple avenues to explore in resolving this issue. If all else fails, Cash App support team is there to help. Remember, proactivity and a bit of patience can go a long way in ensuring a seamless experience with digital payment. Happy transacting, and may your future transfers be successful.